We'll now illustrate how a basic flue gas test can be performed with the Testo 300. First, the boiler casing is removed. The instrument is applied with the strong magnets to the casing and the sampling probe put into the sampling point in the flue. One advantage of the Testo 300 with its smart screen is the ability to look at not only a numerical view of the combustion readings, but also a graphical view, which enables you to look at trending of 4 variables. To access that, a simple sideways swipe of the main screen enables you to then view 4 variables of your choice in a trending view. When the readings have stabilised and you're ready to print, it's very simple to get the printout from the 300. Simply go to the bottom right corner of the screen with the arrow and select the print command. Ensure the printer is on and allow the print to print out. Another option with the Testo 300 is not to use the Bluetooth printer, but to use the second screen connection to the Testo Smart app. With this functionality, simply open the Testo Smart app. The instrument then will connect automatically with a PIN number, and the app now displays as a second screen reflecting what is shown on the main instrument screen. To get the results, simply request the data from the Testo 300 via as a PDF. Open with your PDF viewer, and that can then be attached to an email or shared via WhatsApp or other forms of media. The PDF covers your information, company details, and the test results.